Hi beauties, it's Dani, Sigma Beauty's global makeup artist. Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about our Rendezvous holiday collection, which is now available. I'll walk through all of our new products and create this glamorous holiday look. If you want to see how I achieve this makeup, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start out with my eyes first using the beautiful Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging, it is so glamorous. When you open it up, you have 6 shades inside. We have some beautiful earth tones and also some rose gold hues. And with the palette, you do get a travel size E25 brush. So I'm gonna save this brush and actually start off with my Petite Perfection brush set. So it comes in this cute little bag here. You get 3 brushes. Just right here. So the first brush I'm gonna use is the E38 Diffused Crease. So the first shade I'm going to use is called Tryst, and I'm taking my E38 Diffused Crease and dipping that right in, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I actually really like the size of these travel size brushes because I feel like you can actually get a lot more control with your application with this brush length. So I'm just lightly buffing that in right into my crease and then blending it up towards my brow. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bootleg with the E25 that comes with the palette, and I'm going to concentrate this in my crease and just define that a little bit more. These shades are so perfect for the holidays. You can really glam it up, or you can do something a little bit more simple with like a fun lip. You have many different options. Crease brush and just blend that out even more, just so everything is nice and blended. Okay, so within the Rendezvous collection, there is also an essential trio brush set that comes in this super cute rose gold packaging. And you have 3 brushes in this set. You have the F40 large contour brush, the E55 shader, and then also an E25 blending. So this brush also comes with the palette. So you have 2 eye brushes and a face brush. So cute. All right, so I'm gonna take the E55 shading brush, and with the shade Moonshine, which is my favorite shade in the palette, I'm gonna apply this all over the lid. Pop that right on my lid and start blending that out. And then once that's applied, I'm going to go back in with my E38 brush and just do one last nice blend just to make sure all of those lines are buffed out. Next, I'm going to take my E32 Exact Blend brush from the Petite Perfection brush set, and I'm going to take the shade Campfire. I'm going to use this along my bottom lash line. So I'm applying the shadow just to the very tip of the brush, and I'm going to run that right along my lower lash line. So I'm applying the shadow just to the very tip of the brush, and I'm going to run that right along my lower lash line. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take the side and dip back into Moonshine, and I'm going to apply just a little bit right into the inner corner of my eye. And then you can just blend it in a little bit underneath the eye too, just to Make sure everything looks nice and even. So in the Petite Perfection brush set, it comes with an E65 angled brush, and I'm going to use this to apply my eyeliner. So I have some Wicked gel eyeliner here, and I'm going to apply some liner right along my lash line, and I think I'm going to do a nice wing today as well. I love this brush for liner because you can really get a nice precise line with it. And once I get to kind of the inner of my eye, I'm almost kind of just stamping that on just to get as close to the lash line as possible. And then once I have my line across my lash line, I'm gonna go in and do a wing. I love this collection because it really has kind of a modern take on the Roaring 20s. All of the packaging is so beautiful and has kind of like an Art Deco vibe. And everything's just really rose gold and like luxurious. It's really a beautiful collection and would make a great gift for a makeup lover. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the eyes are finished, so I'm going to move on to my cheeks next, using the beautiful Rose Glow Cheek Duo. So again, here's the packaging. It's so cute, and if you open it up, it does have a nice little mirror on the inside. And then you have the shade Corda Rosa for your blush and Gilded for the highlighter. And this does come with the Soft Blend 60 brush, which is perfect for blush and highlighter. So I'm going to dip that right in to Corda Rosa and apply that to my cheeks. So a good tip when applying blush is not to smile too big, because you don't want to apply it too high in your face, because then when you relax your face, then it's going to drop down too low. So just a nice little smirk. I love these soft blend brushes because they're so soft and just really diffuse the product so nicely. So once Corda Rosa is on, I'm going to dip in to Gilded just with the other side of my brush and apply a little bit of that just to the top of my cheek. All right, so the cheeks are done and you are beautiful and glowing. Next, I'm going to take the beloved mini lip set. Comes in this super cute, sparkly clutch. So you get 3 travel size lip glosses, so cute. So the shades are Corda Rosa, which is this beautiful kind of bronzy, sparkly shade. And then you have Secret Garden, which is a sparkly kind of raspberry shade. And then Lilac Wine, which is my favorite. It's kind of like a sheer pink, which has a really pretty sparkle to it. So I'm gonna use Lilac Wine and also a little bit of Corda Rosa. I'm gonna do a little mix. So first Lilac Wine. I love these glosses because they're so moisturizing and not sticky whatsoever. and then I have Corderosa. Just for a little bit of a sparkle. So as you can see, they are pretty sheer, but they just look so beautiful on the lips. Alright beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products I used today in the Rendezvous collection will be linked below. Make sure you use #SigmaBeauty so we can see all of your gorgeous looks you create. Happy holidays!